Ayan, after namin mag-nap, kasi kailangan mag-nap, grabeng pagod. Ayan, so ito yung hotel namin na to. So, this is our last day here at Marriott. Dito sa Niagara, yeah. No, Niagara on the Falls. Marriott on the Falls, I mean in Niagara.
No, Dex,
no, not
we're gonna
yet.
move to the other hotel.
So, ito yung place na yun. So, parang dulo na nga ito actually. So, dito kami lilipat dito sa kabila. Yeah. So, ito may Marriott din sila dito, pero this one is the Falls View and Spa daw. So, ano kaibahan kaya nito, babe? Parang gusto ko nga pumasok yan. May sinasabi sila na maganda daw dito eh. Yan, then they have the other one here. Ewan ko yung hotel na to. And then, dito kami lilipat bukas. Okay, sorry, ano to? Yan. So yan, maganda pa din ang weather. Good thing kasi kahapon no, hindi masyadong maganda yung weather yesterday. Pagdating namin maulan, ganun. Ngayon naman medyo mainit. So I think yung sun medyo tatagal ngayon. Siguro I don't know kung ano yung sunset this day. Dixie, ano yung sunset this day. Yeah. So ganito sa Niagara, just in case mapanood nitong video. Ganito ang mga nakikita here. Ayan, meron din pala sila mga patio. Yeah.
Sorry,
It's
guys.
still Dexa's birthday. Ilagay mo yan, Dexa.
Sorry, guys.
Ilagay mo yung
Sorry, guys.
Ilagay mo yung headband mo, please.
Because we didn't video the one when I was baby. Sorry, guys. We didn't video the one when I was a baby. When we traveled, we went somewhere too, but we didn't have a YouTube channel still, but sorry. Right?
Yeah, we have video clips pero hindi lang natin na post pa. Okay? So yan, share namin this view mamaya namin sa Skylon Tower. Yan.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
So dinner time. Dito lang kami din sa Skylon Tower. Ayan, so
Okay, parking 20.
oh, so we have to pay another parking here, I think. Yeah. Ito, Skylon Tower. So ito siya. Ito yung mga kasama sa mga clips ko lagi pagka napapadaan kami. So kasama na ata yung pag-akyat namin sa taas kasi nga nakabook kami ng reservation for dito. So, kasama na ata siya. Let's see kung anong kwento naman ng Skylon Tower namin today. Yeah. For dinner. Yes. Where's that birthday girl? Come on. Yan. Ayan, yung Skylon Tower na tinatawag. Ayan, did you see that one, Dexa? Ayan siya, cute. Yan. So, ito yung Skylon Tower. So, mall din pala to. So, let's ask. Kasi we have a reservation, Dexy. Ask tayo. Yeah. Ganito yung loob niya. So, ganito yung sa loob. So, you have to line up. Yan. Line up, line up. Going to the tower. Yan. Yan na. Hi!
Welcome.
Yes, say thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Say thank you.
How old are you?
Yeah. Yeah, she's 6. Okay. Ito yung sa elevator. Ayan. So, mabilis to sa elevator. Yeah. So, Dexy, hi! Yeah, you want to see it? You see that one? So, ito yung nakikita ko sa elevator. Kaya, amazing view. Yes. So, makikita naman namin ito mamaya dun sa ano namin area.
Oh, someone's birthday.
Yes. Can we sing happy birthday to her? Yes, thank you so much. Don't put anything on there, Dex. It's revolting.
But there's a bogey.
It's moving. Actually, it's moving. Yeah. Ayan. So, nandito na natupad na aming pangarap to eat here. Skyline Tower. Ayan. So, ganito ang view. So, ito nakikita naman namin to sa aming hotel. Ayan siya. Yeah.
Can I bring my prescription glasses? Because I can't see.
Yeah, good thing. Yeah. Ano naman ang i-order mo, Daddy?
So, you want chicken fingers?
Yeah. Yes. Maliit lang pala tong Niagara. So, ayan siya. So, umikot na kami ng konti. Ayan siya. So, ito yung mga bata. Mainit pa nga. 7 PM na nga ito eh. Yeah. Sir Dexa,
Where is it?
can you remove your sister's jacket, please? Yeah, thank
Why
you.
did I eat it?
That's butter,
eating the
baby.
butter.
Butter in the bread here, guys. So for starter, you have to eat the bread. Ooh, I love that. And the butter. Yeah, tanggalin muna natin yung ano ni Dexa.
Oh, yes.
Okay, try guys. Try one, guys. Daddy, have one. Ayan, Dexy. Dexy, one, Dexy. Dexa, one. Okay, one. Okay, guys, we have to eat a lot. Have to eat a lot today. Who's hungry? Okay. Okay, eat muna kami neto for starter. Ayan. So, umikot na talaga siya. Wala na yung falls. Ayan. Umikot na. Ayan yung view. Nandito na kami sa bandang ganito. Okay. Hi guys! Hi! Hey Dexa! Hey! Uy, nasira na! So we're still waiting for our food. So ganito naman yung view dito. So galing na kami doon sa cruise na yon. So, ito naman siya. Yung ganyan yung view niya. So, this one is the US. Pa-US yung bridge. Ayan. Ayan, yun, yan. So, umiikot nga talaga to. Ayan siya. So, ito yung Dexa. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Nagkukulitan kasi yung dalawa. Yeah, the food is here na. Did you see that? Ano ata ng wave? Yeah.
No, I don't think that is.
Dumi ng wave. Yeah.
Oh no, those are birds.
snowing. Kung hindi ka niya ilalapit doon, hindi masyadong ma-miss yung ano na yun. Yung parang ano nata ng wave. Yeah.
No, I don't think that is.
Dumi ng wave. Yeah. Di ba nang bird? What bird? Video si Daddy. Yeah, where?
Those are birds.
Birds? Oh, I thought anong sinasabi mo?
Ew! Let's pick it up.
Ayan, tingnan mo. Ito yung US na falls. Ayan, ayan. Ito na yung horseshoe, which is, ito yung nakikita namin sa window namin. Pero iba naman ang dito ang angulo niya. Oh my God. The angle is nice. Super nice, guys. Texas, fine. Nag-move na mamaya. Hindi ka na nakuha na ni ate ng maganda. Yeah. So, ito yung order namin is pasta here. Texas, stop that. And then that is steak and salmon and Texas food. Pasta for me. This is seafood pasta for me. So, ito yung laman niya. Yan, sarap naman. So, ito kay Daddy, recommended ko yung kanilang beef, right? Sarap. Sobrang lambot ang sarap. So, it comes with potato and may ano din siya, veggie. Si Dexy, gusto niya daw yung food niya, yung salmon and may rice. And Dexa, ang daming serving for the kids. It's yeah, it's fries and chicken, right?
I'm very happy.
Yeah. Happy birthday!
I'm very happy because I was sick of him yesterday.
Oh, may naman is pasta. Ayan. So, ayan ang pamilya. This is our dinner, birthday dinner for Dexa. Ayan. Kain muna kami. Eating time. Yeah, you can share, guys. Well, our view is here. Ayan ang view namin. Ayan. So, it's nice birthday for us ni Dexa. Ito yun. Kain mo na.
Where's the view?
African view. Dexa, this one. Masarap siya. Scallop. So yummy. Ayan, paggabi na. Ayan, tingnan mo. May ganito pa ako. Nagdedede ng hen. Dexa! Don't do that! Ayan, paggabi na siya. Ayan. Where's our photo, guys? Oh, nagpa-picture kami dito. It's also $39. Yeah, but it's good. At least we have remembrance here. At maganda naman din ang kuha nila. Yeah. it's nice though. Mayroon din siyang lagayan na ganyan. Yeah. The other one is same?
Except for the fact they edited it.
Okay. The other one is a photo too or hindi na? Parang hindi na nga siya na photo din. It is also a photo. Akala ko ano na lang siya, parang ginawa nilang ano, okay. Ganda. Anyway, yeah. We enjoy their food. I like their pasta. Gusto ko yung pasta nila. Hindi masyadong ano ni Dex yung salmon kasi medyo wala daw siyang lasa pero nilagyan niya ng lemon. Ang dami din kanina yung food ni Dexa, nakain din. And then Mama's food, Daddy, nakain din niya. Una pa nga kinuha yung kay Dad. Ayan. Ay, suminok pa ako. Anyway, it's a nice one. Yeah. Ay, don't sleep kasi nag-sing sila sa'yo. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dexa. Happy birthday to you. Let's sing. Yay! Nakakahilo dun sa kinainan namin. Diyos ko naman, ignorante na naman ako. Oy. So, ito yung observatory deck nila. Here. So, ito yung observatory deck nila. So, kapag kumain ka dito, libre na lang siya. Okay, sorry naman. Okay, sige. Nagpipicture kasi sila. Ay! Oh, guys! That's so nice! Yan, ito naman yung view here. So, hindi namin masyado nakikita to sa hotel namin. Oh, may umaakyat din na yun. Nakikita yung uso, parang umakyat. Yeah, I know. City view! Yan siya. Yeah, I know. And city view na siya ngayon. Yeah, thank you. Ganda, Dexa, no? Here din yung US na falls. Parang nagde-tame siya pagkagabi, anak. You see? Nakikita mo na yung baba niya? Yeah. Yan o, parang nakikita mo na siya. So, ito US na daw to. Yan. So, nice! City view. Yes. May nagtutour pa din ba sa ganitong gabi? Ayan, no?
There's also fireworks like...
I know, pero 10. Diba?
I don't know because I never checked the time for that. Maybe.
Yeah. Yan. So, may harang lang dito. Kaya di mo masyadong ma-view ng maayos.
I already got up. I'm almost tall as you.
Yeah, because you're already 7. You're already 7? 7? 6! The view. Ayan, bumalik yung color niya. So, the color is changing. Ayan siya. There too. Ito yung view niya. So, it's night na siya. City view. So, white, blue. So, nag-change color siya. Okay, this one.
reflecting. Really? I didn't see it. Ah, that's so cute.
I think it's the same pattern that they're doing, right? So ito kasi yung view ng dito yung the side. So sabi nga ni daddy mo, parang US yung nagpapa.
No, it's us.
Us din?
I think, yeah.
No worries. Yeah, it's getting it. It's okay with me. Getting video.
Look at that huge crowd of people down there. This happens every day. Yeah, only on the summer though. No, only like on like seasons like yeah, summer, fall.
Going down.
Ladies and gentlemen, to the front floor very soon.
Sa elevator, ito yung view din ng
Yeah,
elevator.
yeah, right? It's a little bit
Skylon
scary,
Tower.
right?
Yeah.
And now, are you ready? In 10.
Pababa kami.
In 8. In 7.
Nakakatuwa
In
tong
6.
ano natin.
In 5. In 4.
Sobrang energy.
In 3. In 2.
Pagbaba namin, ito yung makikita mo. Yeah. Okay, sige. We go na. Going home na kami. Pagod na din. So, ganito siya paggabi. Dito kami galing. Yeah. Yeah. So, yan siya. Dito sa labas, dito kami nakapark. So, we paid also $20 here sa parking. So, ganito dito. Ay, naku. Lahat bayad. Magastos siya.